The body produces sebum, a sticky, oily substance made up of various fat molecules and squalene. It does serve a good purpose, but a lot of people don't like it because it can make their skin appear oily. Sebum is a sticky, oily substance the body produces in order to keep the skin moisturized. Sebum production fluctuates in response to changing hormone levels. Sex hormones, traditionally thought of as male, especially testosterone, play a large role in regulating sebaceous gland activity. Sebum production peaks shortly after birth and decreases within the first week of life. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY mask to reduce sebum production. At first, you will need 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. It can be a powerful ally in regulating oil production and removing excess sebum from the skin and deep in the pores. Second ingredient is cucumber water. Cucumber can regulate sebum production by your skin, which can work wonders for impeding the onset and managing existing acne. By safeguarding your skin's hydration levels, cucumber can help make you enjoy a seamless and glowing complexion. Mix these ingredients until to get smooth paste. Your DIY is ready. Daily apply on your face. After 20 minutes, wash it off with cold water. Cucumbers are known for their high water content, and aloe vera is known for its hydrating properties. Whether your skin is dehydrated or dry, the aloe vera cucumber gel gets quickly absorbed by the skin and leaves it well hydrated and healthier.